Hey guys, what's up? This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you're starting the week out right. They've got a 2015 Peterbilt 389 glider kit flat top to show you today. I've gotten it hot, gonna do a full walk around. Here's a little bit of the interior. It's got a 12.7 Detroit 13-speed, 620 on the clock, and 20,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul, including head, injectors, and turbo. Right below operating temperature there. No warnings. Low side oil pressure is fantastic. Super smooth through the RPMs. Very responsive. Your high side oil pressure jumps up there like it should as well. Driver's seat's in fantastic condition. Looks like it's been upgraded here recently. That's the original one there on the passenger side. New steers. Through detail as well. It's got an aftermarket, like a Harley fender there on each side, which I'll show you in just a moment. So that fender actually comes down a little bit further on the sides than what a factory fender would. Overall body and paint's in pretty good shape. You've got some rock backs up on the front of those fenders there. Side here, you got just a couple rock dings there, and then some rock dings on the back. If you're looking from a cosmetic standpoint, no rust on it. Rubber's all in really good shape. All aluminum slider. Really good look for a older truck. 2015 model, 620 on the miles. Guys, if you got questions on this one or any other truck that we've got, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com.